Hello, welcome back. This is Reem from rimsartsyvibes and a very warm welcome to my channel. So the artwork that I'll be showing you today was supposed to be a very personal one. It's about repairing a very old statue that has been with our family for over a period of 40 years. And the statue is that of an Indian goddess called Ma Kali, and hence our entire family has a very strong emotional attachment with the idol. You know what? This period of 40 years has taken away all the luster from this beautiful idol. And so I decided to give it a makeover so that its past beauty and charm could be revived. And it lasts for 40 more years to come. And guess what? While I was about to delve into the process, I decided to share the entire procedure with all of you, my beautiful YouTube family, to enjoy the complete procedure with me. So let's dive right in. Let's wash the idol and get rid of all the dirt that has accumulated over all these years. There are quite a few broken parts in the statue and I have planned to repair them as well. After washing it thoroughly, I let it dry and you can see how it looks like now, and you can very well see there's a lot to be done. So I'm going to start with the repairing process first, and to our rescue, here comes our favorite Fevicryl molded. This is an air dry clay and I will use this to repair these broken parts. So as always, I'm mixing the two ingredients and I'll take a little amount from the dough and will use it to fix my crown. So here I'll use this air dry clay to seal the broken area, and I'll be doing this with the help of any PVA glue or Fevicol. Before the clay dries up, I will try to recreate the design that is on the other side of the crown. I need to fix this side as well, and I am repeating the same procedure once again. Once I'm done carving the clay, I will let it dry for a day or so. By the time it dries out completely, I will try to prepare the base for the idol, and I'm gonna be using gesso for this purpose. And again, I'll be using a cake board for making the base. I'm prepping this with my homemade gesso and will apply 2 to 3 coats of this on my board. This is going to make the surface smoother and will hence ease out the process of applying paint on it. And in a similar way, I'm applying 1 to 2 coats of gesso on the idol as well. This is an extremely important process, especially in this case because as the idol is a very old one, there are so many bumps on the idol, and also it is extremely porous, which will lead to absorption of a lot of colors and hence would result in a lot of wastage. So now let's paint the base, and I'm spraying some water on the color to make the application of colors a little easier and smoother. This is not the color I wanted, so I'm gonna be using a little bit of black to make the color a little darker. So it's perfect now, and I'm deliberately keeping some brush strokes here. Let's make some beautiful leaf motifs on this. I will use 2 to 3 shades of blue here. The first layer will be darker than the second layer, and so on. And I'll be doing this to create a little bit of depth in the painting. This will create an illusion as to some leaves are farther away from our vision and some are nearer. So don't go anywhere and be with me to see the complete transformation. base is all done, and now it's time to shift our attention to the idol. And here it comes. Goddess Kali is described as being black in color, but she is often seen as blue in popular Indian art. And I personally preferred blue over black. You know what? Hinduism is all about symbolism. It believes in symbolism, and this blue color is a symbol of infinite and immeasurable. As you have already seen that I have painted the crown of Goddess Kali as golden, and so I changed my mind later and decided to add some golden elements on the base so that it complements the color combination of the idol, which will soon be attached to this base. Once all the parts are dry, I will now attach this idol on the base with the help of air dry clay. You know what? Initially I thought to attach this idol with the help of simple glue, but then something crossed my mind that the clay idol itself is quite heavy and the glue wouldn't be sufficient enough to hold its weight. So I changed my mind and came up with this idea. And it's all done now. So tell me, what are your opinions about today's art piece? My family totally loved it, and that is what gives me immense satisfaction to have been able to live up to their expectations. You know what? It was a pretty difficult responsibility to carry out because my family had a very strong emotional attachment associated with the idol. So I never wanted to remodel the idol or to turn it into something which is completely different from the original. I just aimed at accentuating the beauty of this idol by adding some beautiful, bright, relevant colors and also adding a beautiful base to support this idol. So I just earnestly hope you like that too. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And if you have any suggestion for me, or if you have any new idea that you want me to work on, then please let me know in the comment section below. You could also follow me on my Instagram handle and Facebook page. My Instagram handle is rims_artsy_vibes and my Facebook page is rimsartsyvibes. Meet you again in another new exciting video. Till then, keep painting and keep enjoying your art journey. Bye.